Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at this DMC DeLorean from the Hotwheels The 80s series. So yeah, let's just go take a quick little look at this thing and take a look. It's a pretty cool 80s logo right here, DMC DeLorean. So most of the time, anytime we think of DeLorean, we think of Back to the Future, and that's obviously what I think. Still, it's pretty cool casting, and again, no front headlights. Just like the thing they did with the Volvo last time I made a video. But still, it's okay. Pretty cool casting. So let's go pop this open right now. Packaging looks pretty firm. So let's kind of get our fingers dirty. Oh man, this thing's like hard to open. Oh my god. I don't want to put too much force. There we go. Oh, wow. Okay, look at that. Baby blue. Or that 80s blue. Oh, man. Oh, this thing feels great. Oh, look at the design of this thing. It is awesome, man. I know, like, I don't know why. Oh, man, look at this thing. I really adore this casting and this car too. It has such a beautiful design, kind of reminds me of like a Countach or Diablo. Look at the nice gold chrome wheels, a nice like line going down around the car. Nice like kind of light, like very light blue and a little dark blue and a little bit baby blue on the car. And the whole car is in kind of like a very like gray kind of blue color. Like if you see it if you have this casting in real life, you can see it's more gray, but in the camera it's more blue. Also has a pretty cool black stripe going down the hood that says something right there, which I'll give you a good look. I don't know what that says. I'll have to flip it around. I think it says DeLorean on there. Really love the design of this car. Very 80s too. There's a little hole in the window right there. And I really love the back braver's little plastic part. Sadly, there is no back headlight tampons or front headlight tampons. But other than that, this is a phenomenal casting. I just love everything about it. Just look at this. Like also the feel in your hand for this car too is awesome. Look at that. Wow. Really love this color variation of the DeLorean. But anyways, guys, just want to talk about the DMC DeLorean. But I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And yeah, I'll see you next review. Bye. Okay, I think it's time to go. Bye.